Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to upload files on Canva. Now I want to upload, let's upload an image. I want to upload an image on Canva. So let's do it. So the first thing I'm going to do is www.canva.com in your browser, and once you're there you sign in, and once you sign in it was not show. So I'm opening to a new file. For me, I open the new file. In your Canva file. Okay, this is how it shows. Let me show you from the very beginning. Once you put in canva.com to take it to the home menu here. This is the home menu actually. So once you're here, the next thing I'm gonna do is I want to do a YouTube document or YouTube thumbnail. Choose one. So it brings me here now to upload file. So you click on the file at the top here. You see the option for upload file. This is the second one. Remember the image I want to upload, so click on upload file. Now I already have this image downloaded, as you can see. I just simply pick the image I want. And you can see over here it's uploading the file. You can see it. And it's as simple as that. So if you check your uploads, this how we upload images. I uploaded the image I wanted. So another way you can do it is to copy from a website. Copy an image from a website. So I want a picture of, let's say, Africa. So let's say this is the image I want to upload. Right click on it, click on copy image, then I go to Canva, and then I paste it there. So once I paste it, you can see here it's uploading it right here, and it's uploaded the image. So those are the two ways you can do it. Hope you found the video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to channel for more.